Okay, folks, so this video is going to show you how to open up a link into a new tab, which is very important if you don't want to lose all the progress that you've been doing inside your form when a student goes to that link. So the way that I'm going to show you this is using the pages. So if you're using the pages within the actual the site itself, so like we've got the home page, but I also have this page called Hints. So if I were to add hints onto this page, I can link to that page, which is useful. So when I'm on the home screen here, where I'm going to be adding in these pictures, or I already have the pictures added, what I can do is basically click on the image itself, and then I can click on this Insert Link button. And then it'll give me the option of selecting a page that exists in the site. So if I click on Hints and click Apply, then that will work as a link. Now, with this one though, you can do something else, and what that would be is to get the actual URL for that page and put it inside there. So that's just going to be sites.google.com/view, whatever you call the breakout, and then slash whatever you called that page. And I'll show you how you can get that link as well. But I'll show you, I'm going to apply that, and then I'll publish it, and then we'll open up the site and show you how both of those things work. Okay, so I'll just wait for a couple seconds to make sure everything loads on this page, and then I'll open up the links as they're showing down there. Okay, so let's scroll down here. And why aren't you letting me scroll further? There we go. Okay, so notice the two images there. Those are the ones that we're looking at. Remember, the one on the left here, I think, is going to open up in the same tab. This one here should open up in the new tab. So I'll show you this one first, just so you can see that it works. When you click there, it redirects you to that hints page, which is where we wanted it to. And then when I close it, it brings me right back to that same initial page. Right? Now, the other link, though, this one here, that's going to open up in the same tab. So when I click on that, one second, when I click on that image, there you go. It opens up in the same tab here. And then if I click back, it's going to remove all of that previous information that I've put into the form. Okay, so when in doubt, I would always try and go for this type of method where you're getting the actual the website from this page. So in order to get that, you click on Pages, you open up the page you want to get into, and then so what you can do is when you publish it, you can always then go View Published Site, and then it should open to that page that we're on, and then you can grab the URL right from there. Okay, so I hope that helps. You always want to do that if you're opening pages from within the same website. And yeah, if you have any questions, again, you know where to find me.